G'day folks, I've got a 510 top ender side console in today and I am recarpeting every panel. They're right through my workshop and they're all going back in here. I've got the console floating there. The console is going to be raised by 50 millimeters. He's a big tall fella that owns this boat. Replacing all of the rotten timber with brand new aluminium. And they're all done already. And I've got one left on the table here. I'm going to go through the procedures of what to do with it. Okay, only a short video today because we've all seen this before, and if you really need to know how to carpet your boat, go back and watch one of the videos I've already done on it. I don't really like to repeat, but sometimes you do. So let's get into it. We've got, again, our spray contact adhesive. Stanley knife today. Cheapest spray gun you can buy. I did put a bit of thinners with it, with the contact adhesive. Just makes it nicer sprayable. Okay. So this one is for all of my subscribers as a big thank you for watching my videos. And new subscribers, you're welcome. Please subscribe. I know there's a lot of loyal people out there watching me. Well, thank you very much. Let's get into this. I'll take you outside and show you the pile that's the old timber floors. They're outside ready to go to the dump. This is a very well looked after boat. All right, first things first. I've got my spacing tool and I also use it as a cutting tool. I have a long one and a short one. This is just to give me my fold over lap. When this folds over, it gives me enough to do that with. Okay, that sits all the way around here. So when I go to spray it, I have to move it. So I just trace around the edge of it with a piece of chalk. I find the smallest piece of chalk because it's just about run out. And this gives me a spray mark for the glue. Lucky last line here. And also in the circle. Just so I put plenty of glue around where the edge is. Alright, I'll take this off. Okay, here we are set up, ready to spray. You can see the outline where I don't need to spray with glue. And I'll fast forward this section and just paint the whole thing with paint and we'll go from there. Here we go. see there, we've got full coverage over all surfaces. Wait for it to tack off. It doesn't take long to tack off in this heat. It's quite hot. I'm dripping with sweat here. Already all tacked off. It doesn't take long at all. So then we just bring this over. I've tried not to move it, so I can just lay this down. On top there. And then I'll put 95 kilos on it now. I'm no longer 100 kilos. I've lost a bit of the old packet. And then the next task is to glue this surface here and pull this over on every surface. Pull this over. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. And for all my regulars out there, I want to see a comment, please. You can even tell me what day it is. I don't care. Just write down a comment for me, please, and I will reply back to you. New guys, welcome, and I hope you enjoy the videos that I put together for you, teaching you how to look after your boat and modify it, and all of the bits and pieces, aspects of doing it too. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.